When you are done configuring the hamburger menu masters, you need to attach the hamburger menu to the Form Home screen. Select Form Home, go to Template, click on the context menu on the hamburger menu masters, and select the Insert Into option. Now the hamburger menu will get added to Form Home screen. You still can't see it. Remember, they are just off the screen to the left. To give the menu even more of a professional look, we will add a shadow to the form. Add a flex container to FLX Home Content and name it Flex Shadow. Now configure the flex properties. Left -15 dp, top 0 dp, width 15 dp, height 100%, z-index 10. Go to the Skin tab and select the background type Multi-Step Gradient. The first step location is 0, the color code is 422B00, and the opacity is 0%. The second step location is 42. The color code is 422B00, and the opacity is 10%. The third step location is 82. The color code is 422B00, and the opacity is 30%. Select the angle to the right. Now you need to add the menu overlay to Form Home. Add a flex container to Form Home and name it FLX Menu Overlay. Configure the flex properties. Now it is time to add the animation action to the header. To add the animation action, go to Form Home, Flex Home Content, Flex App Main Header, Flex Menu button, then go to the Actions tab and click on the Edit button next to the OnClick event. In the Action Editor, rename the action sequence to AS Open Menu. Click on Flex Move under the Animation group and select the target Form Home Content. Configure the properties to slide the form over to 80% of the screen width. This way, the underlying menu background becomes visible. Left 80%. Time 250 milliseconds. Delay 0. Repeat 1. Direction none. And fill mode forward. Click on Callback. Select Set Widget Property. Select the target FLX menu overlay and set it to True. Now you need to slide the menu header and options in from the left of the screen. Click on Flex Move and select the target FLX menu user info. Configure the properties. Left 0%, time 250 milliseconds, delay 0, repeat 1, direction none, and fill mode forward. Take a few minutes to do this for each of the menu options. You now have defined how the menu should appear. You can also define how the menu will disappear. To add a close animation action, go to Form Home, FLX Menu Overlay, select the Actions tab, click on the Edit button next to the OnClick event. In the Action Editor, rename the action sequence to AS Close Menu. Click on Flex Move and select the target FLX Home Content. Configure the properties to slide it back into place. Left 0%, time 250 milliseconds, delay 0, repeat 1, direction alternate, and fill mode forward. Now hide the menu overlay. Click on Set Widget Property and choose FLX Menu Overlay as the target. Choose the Is Visible property and set it to False. Now you need to move all of the menu items off the screen again, just off to the left. Click on Flex Move and select the target FLX Menu User Info. Configure the properties. Left -100%, time 250 milliseconds, delay 0, repeat 1, direction none, and fill mode forward. Take another few minutes to do this for all of the menu items. You are now done configuring the Close menu action. Now it's time to view the animation on your own device. See what it looks like on your screen.